A brand new AI channel popped up just a few days ago, and what's crazy is how fast it exploded. In such a short time, it gained thousands of followers, and the numbers just keep growing. Now take a close look at these videos. Some of them have already crossed hundreds of thousands of views, and a few have even hit millions. At first glance, you'd probably think these from a big-budget Hollywood movie. Tiny workers, massive construction machines, and incredibly realistic environments that look like movies. Not a single scene is real. Every shot is completely AI-generated. The cinematic storytelling, realistic visuals, and satisfying ASMR effects are so convincing that people can't stop watching. That's exactly why this type of content is blowing up across social media right now. And here's the best part. This niche is still relatively new, which means the competition is surprisingly low. If you start now, you still have a great chance to go viral before everyone jumps in. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to use free AI tools to create professional quality miniature ASMR videos from scratch, even if you've never made AI content before. Before we jump in, I have one quick favor to ask. Over 90% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed yet, so if you want to be one of the first to see my latest AI tutorials and stay ahead of the trend, hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
To make this entire process as easy as possible, I've already created a powerful master prompt template that does almost all the heavy lifting for you. You'll find the Google Docs link in the video description. I specifically designed this master prompt for creating viral miniature rescue AI videos, so you don't have to spend time writing complicated prompts from scratch every single time. With this one master prompt, you can generate detailed, high-quality cinematic AI prompts in just a few seconds and start creating amazing videos much faster. So let's jump into step 1, generate your story. First, open ChatGPT. Then, click the Google Docs link in the description and copy the entire master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will create 5 completely unique miniature rescue story ideas for you. Each prompt is professionally structured and includes everything you need to produce a complete AI video, from the storyline and character actions to the environment, camera angles, lighting, visual effects, and cinematic scene descriptions. Since these prompts are already fully optimized, you won't need to spend time adding extra instructions or constantly tweaking the output. And if you don't love the first set of ideas, no problem. You don't need to paste the entire prompt again. Just type "generate 5 more prompts" and ChatGPT will instantly create 5 brand new story concepts with fresh themes, different rescue scenarios, and completely original creative ideas. You can repeat this as many times as you want. Every time, you'll get a new batch of unique video concepts, so you'll never run out of fresh content ideas. That means you can consistently create original, high-quality miniature rescue AI videos and keep uploading engaging content to your channel on a regular basis.
Step 2. Turn your prompt into a video. Now it's time to bring your story to life. Open Flow AI and create a new project. Once you're inside, switch the generation mode to video and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so your video is perfectly optimized for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Next, set the number of generations to 1, select the Omni Flash model, and choose a 10-second video duration. Now head back to ChatGPT and pick one of the story prompts you generated earlier. Copy the entire prompt, return to Flow AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, Flow AI will transform your prompt into a stunning, AI-generated miniature rescue video featuring cinematic visuals, realistic animation, immersive storytelling, and satisfying ASMR-style effects. Once the generation is complete, preview your video to make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with the result, simply download it. Want to create another video? The workflow stays exactly the same. Just go back to ChatGPT, copy a different story prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. Every prompt creates a brand new story with different characters, unique rescue scenarios, fresh environments, and cinematic scenes, giving you endless content ideas without repeating yourself. By following this simple workflow, you can create an unlimited number of high-quality, miniature rescue AI videos in just a few minutes. Now let me show you a few examples of the videos I created using this exact master prompt template and Flow AI, so you can see the kind of results you can expect. And that's the complete workflow. As you can see, creating viral miniature rescue AI videos isn't nearly as difficult as most people think. With the right prompt template and a simple workflow, you can consistently produce high-quality content without spending hours planning, writing prompts, or editing. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI tutorial.